Hey y'all, this is Kinah with KinahIAm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the October 2021 Planything Christmas Joy subscription box. Y'all, Birdman hands. I couldn't wait to get my hands on this box, y'all. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. And if you're interested in seeing what's in this box, please stay tuned. Alright y'all, so on the back it says, "Hi, thank you for purchasing the Christmas Joy Planything box. This box includes one sticker book with 30 sheets, 2 washi tapes, 1 pen, 1 notepad, 2 paper sheets, and 1 magnet." So let me go on up here with this thing out, y'all. I can't wait to tear into it. Ooh, no you're not. What you're not gonna do is make me fight you today. So, let's see. Ooh, it's poured out on the desk, sis. Ooh, what's that? Girl, I'm dropping all kinds of stuff today, y'all. Alright, so the first thing, let's put this stuff to the side. First thing up is the magnet. It says, "All I want for Christmas is stickers." Cute little play off the Mariah Carey song. Okay. Oh, y'all, look at this pen. She pretty. Ooh. Baby girl, you might be going on my desk stand. This is pretty, y'all. Look. These are gel pens that come from Planything. At least the latest ones are. She has a glossy red paint with gold hardware, red crystals. Y'all, she pretty. So here is this month's pen. Let's go ahead and bust these washi open. One and all right, so this first one here has this teal background with the Christmas lights on a string. Oh, cute. That looks better off the roll. And then we have this stripe washi. Oh, there we go. Cute. So this is this month's washi. I can't wait to use that. Y'all, why Christmas coming so slow this year? Everything else sped up. Oh, okay. Let's do everything. We don't do sticker book last. Y'all know how we get down over here. Okay, so we have our notepad. And it is double-sided. I love that. Thank you so much for giving us double-sided. And this does look like it's A5 size. Let's point out. Yes, y'all, it's A5 size. So I can just put this in my A5. Yay! Girl, you did this, Miss Amber. Thank you, ma'am. So we have our double-sided notepad. The next item is our paper sheets. So both of these look like cardstock. We didn't get any vellum this month, but that's fine. And they are double-sided. That's super pretty. Oh, girl, Santa baby. And then we have this winter scene. Very cute. Looks very relaxing. And we have our gifts on the other side. So here are our paper sheets for the month. Last but not least, y'all, this sticker book. Baby. Let's do a flip through. So it just says Planything Christmas Joy, 612 stickers, 30 Shicker. We combine sticker and sheets. Shickers. So we have this clear gloss. We got our trucks and our gifts. Ooh, and we get 2 sheets of everything. Y'all, these ornaments. Yes, ma'am. Are they clear or are they white? Y'all, I have to find out. Sorry. Let me find out. They are clear. Yes, they are clear. Alright, so we got 2 pages of the ornaments, and then we've got some solid ornaments. Cute. You could put some pictures in there in the circles. And then we've got our wrapped gifts. These are clear gloss as well. Cute. It's different. It's not your traditional stickers and the same old crap. Y'all, this is making me hungry. Ooh, and we got a whole dinner spread down here. This is so cute. Then we go into our boxes. I'm loving the traditional colors. We get a different flair with the traditional colors, and I love it. We have our poinsettias and our pine cones and other holiday greenery. And then we've got some Christmas, Santa Claus. Is that one sticker? These are 2 separate stickers. Jingle bells, 2 separate stickers. December, 'tis the season. These are separate stickers. Plansmith. Okay, Plansmith. Separate stickers. Joy, merry, family, gifts. So we got 2 sheets of those. Ooh, I'm loving these trees. These are cute. Loving the snowflock trees. Ooh, now we have our lights. These are gonna make for some pretty spreads. I can already see it. We have our stockings. We've got Santa. We've got our fireplace set up in progress. We've got some. Ooh, this is cute, y'all. Come on, Amber. Y'all, look at these lights. So cute. More boxes. And then we have our gingerbread cookie sayings. Family, baking, cookies, Santa, yay, Christmas, Christmas Eve. Those are 2 separate stickers. Jolly Tree Joy, ho, ho, ho. All of those hoes are separate. Oh, I tickle myself. Xmas, gifts, claws, 25, December day, elf, snowbells, jingle movies, Christmas joy. We got 2 sheets of those, and then we have our gingerbread to back it up. And then the last set is this really cute. I like that color scheme. The outlines of the star and the tree and the reindeer. So that is our sticker book. So y'all, here is the October 2021 Planything subscription box titled Christmas Joy. If you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I enjoyed unboxing it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.